Do anything I want to. Money talk, brother, so much. Here's a hack on how to get a bunch of suitcases.
It's the DMP.
Oh shoot.
What's the shredder? What is the shredder?
I know where the shredder. I know there's a lot of shredders.
Crazy.
Down here. Over here.
Hey guys,
Get out, get out, get. That was the thumbnail.
There's some shredders, my dog.
All the shredders are up there. I'm not lying.
I found a sunset.
Found a sunset. I found a galaxy and a sunset. So I
That's
got
what I'm
the.
saying. Like I keep finding.
Yeah, I keep finding sunsets and galaxies.
Like too much of them too.
Don't sell.
I think I have. I think I have every suitcase in the game now.
Okay, why are you?
Wait,
This
I
is
need
literally
something to heal
crazy.
so I can get that suitcase up there.
Yes, I
what
do
the
found that the
MREs,
perfect.
MREs. Do you own MREs?
Yeah.
Guys, get MREs too.
Let's see how many I have. Wowskers! Oh my gosh, that's so much.
MREs, free MREs.
Cause somebody help me!
I want some broccoli.
Oh my god.
Help me, please.
One letter codes are the best. I'm in the code B, I think. Let me see.
Oh, why do I have a shotgun?
Yeah, I'm in
I
B.
don't need that.
I need help, please! Please help me! Please help me!
Whoa, they're selling? Already got a mill. Crazy. I didn't even know they're selling.
I
I got like 2 mil already. No, there's OG suitcases. I'd rather, let me get an OG suitcase.
Guys, I have 15!
Is that a sunset right there? I think that's a sunset. Yep, sunset. Oh, well. It's not really. I might just get out of here before I step in.
Guys,
Three sweaters and
Yeah, I'm gonna just turn small real quick. Shredders. Oh, let me get an OG suitcase. OG suitcase. OG suitcase. Boom. Oh, what else type of suitcase should I get? La 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 lava. Chicken. Wee. This is just a random video.
what are the suitcases?
Why is everybody asking that? You literally joined the server because somebody probably said there was mods. My brother did, so.
y'all found another sunset, bro.
How many sunsets are is bro five? Oh shoot.
Come
Give me
get
the
it.
sunset. I'll take the sunset. I'm
What's
taking
my
the
at?
sunset.
3 mil already? Crazy.
I'm at 2 mil.
I'm at 3 mil. Sunset? Is that a
Not 2
sunset?
mil so far.
Wait, that's weird. It's red and orange. No.
Yeah, that's a sunset.
Oh. Well then I'm finding so many of those. Let's see if I can fly. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly like an eagle.
No.
Don't sell yet.
Don't sell yet.
Okay, where are you? Don't sell.
Just sell it.
But I can't invite him.
Can someone give me a broccoli? Someone give me a broccoli, please. Someone give me a broccoli. Someone give me a broccoli.
Oh, I'm flying! I'm flying like a bird!
You're so rude. You're so rude.
Fly like the wind, bro!
I got you guys.
I installed
It has to be one habit once.
fly like a birdie.
Tyler, do you hear me?
Let your wings
Mix them
fly.
together. Okay, well, you know, okay.
Alright, guys.
Fly.
Guys, I'm gonna start doing suitcases. Yes,
Let's take lift off.
What the fuck? Yeah, I'm done.
Let's take lift off, guys.
Like, oh no. Yeah, I got all yours the broccoli, so.
I need some broccoli too.
Hey guys, I got some suitcases for y'all.
Yeah, here you go, bro. I'll move something right here.
got some more. Remove the shredder. Okay, cool. Dad, you're more the shredder. Hold on.
Oh my god.
I need broccoli.
Shredder's on
Broccoli, help me. I need
Oh,
broccoli.
I'm on that. Wasn't there like an orange
It's the yard.
thing? Don't these kind of despawn later?
Don't tell. Let's go. Oh my god, game.
Did anybody find a sunset? Can I have a sunset?
Yeah, I'll
Yo,
find
who
you
the
a
fuck
sunset,
did
bro.
that?
Thanks.
I'll find you a sunset.
Thanks.
Who did it? I'm right here.
Yeah, I'm behind you. I'm right behind you. Whoever said that? The purple cat or the.
Oh yeah, hi. Yeah.
Alright.
Let's find one.
I'm
No,
a
I found one. I think I did. I think I found one.
where?
I'll be
Are
able to
you right here? Where are you?
I'm behind you. I'm behind you.
Right here? You?
Can I have it?
The sunset?
Can I have it? Can I have it?
Sunset, y'all? The sunset?
Let me see.
No, that ain't sunset.
That ain't sunset.
Wait, that might be sunset.
Start selling.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a freaking 5 mil. Oh shoot.
I'm
5.
gonna find whoever did it.
You already have 5 mil. I need to find myself a sunset. I already got a galaxy and sunset. I think I already have like 2 sunsets.
Hey, check out. Get
Nice,
the shredders now.
Rizal.
Get the shredders now. Get the shredders now.
Stop trying to kill people, bro.
Shredders at on top of the rocks. Oh yeah, shredders is on the mountains too.
Yo, who
Who did
this?
that? It's him. It's black. It's black.
Did anybody find a sunset?
Bro, one was asking for a sunset suitcase. I found one.
Oh, I'm behind you. I'm behind you. I'm right here.
Where is he?
Is it?
Here, he's black. He's black.
Can I have it? Drop it. Bro! Who did that? Thank you.
He has all black and there's only one and don't think.
Yeah, I got a sunset.
He just died. He just died.
Someone give me
This is
broccoli.
right there.
Someone give me broccoli. Someone
I
give me
got you,
broccoli.
bro.
Someone give me broccoli.
I got you, bro.
Hey,
Yeah, no, yeah,
stop shooting. Stop shooting. Stop.
Is this still a bunch of suit?
How
Whoa.
are you?
Crazy.
Yo, whoever, if someone bombs us, bro, kill them on the spot.
Someone
I'm
give
like
me
on the
broccoli.
spot.
I need broccoli. I need broccoli.
Well, that was a crazy
Me
experience.
too.
Peace. See you on the next one.
Are you ready?
Someone give me broccoli. Someone give me broccoli.
It's right there. It's right there.